Hi, this is Chris 24K on Instagram and on Twitter. Today I'm showcasing the myCharge portable charger Razer Extreme PD. This is an incredible battery. Comes with 26,800 milliamps of power. You might be wondering, is that too much to take on a plane? Actually, it's 100 watt hour. This is 99.16 watt hour, so it's just under the 100 watt hour limit. It has a 45 watt output. So you can run a MacBook Air over the power delivery port, the USB-C right here. Comes with 3 ports, comes with 2 USB-A and 1 USB-C. Here's some charging details here on the bottom. You can pause the video and take a look at that for yourself. And they showcase in here that you can charge the MacBook, there it is, and a smartphone at the same time. It's anodized aluminum on the outside. Like I said, 45 watt output. And you can find these at a lot of airports. And what's great about that is that this comes pre-charged. So you just buy it off the shelf and you're ready to go. As you can see when I press the button, it's got 3 dots of power ready to go right from the box. This is the Razer Extreme Power Delivery, or PD, myCharge battery. Comes with 45 watts of USB-C power delivery power, so you can do a MacBook Air or MacBook, and 26,800 incredible milliamps, and it's just under the limit to take on an airplane at 99.16 watt hours. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.